Hi, I'm Christine.
And I'm Tara.
Thanks for joining us today for our very first episode. In this monthly video series, we're going to bring you the latest on all things digital marketing. So we're going to cover the tips, tricks, and trends that you need to know to be able to market your small business.
So recently there's been some exciting updates to Facebook Business, and we're going to talk with you about how you can use them to benefit your business. The 3 new exciting updates we're going to be talking with you about are automated ads, appointments, and 3 new video editing tools. And we're going to dive into what each of these updates are and how they're going to benefit you and your business. So first, we're going to talk automated ads. It's time to take the guesswork out of creating effective ads that you can run on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. With over 2 billion active monthly users on Facebook, it makes sense that if you're going to run ads for your business, Facebook's the place to do it. With the variety of options and settings that are available to you, you can really narrow in on your audience and get your ads in front of the right people. There's one major drawback though, time. And we're guessing you're busy running your business and you don't have all that extra time to sit there creating and monitoring these ads. So Facebook created a solution with you in mind, automated ads. And the best part is it's super simple to do.
That sounds really cool, and I can see how it would save a lot of time. So for our viewers who are running ads now, what's different between what they're running and these automated ads?
Good question. So Facebook will basically create a custom advertising plan for your business, and they're going to walk you through the entire ad process so you can really take the guesswork out of what you're doing. They're going to find the right ads just for you. They're going to start by asking you a few simple questions about your business. They're going to want to know your goals and objectives. What are you aiming to do? And then they're going to help you set these ads up. So they're going to even suggest things like images you can use, audience you can target, and even how to use your budget efficiently.
Wow.
Yeah. And the biggest perk that I think is going to really benefit you is that you can save major time with less maintenance. So these ads will run continuously, and Facebook will offer suggestions over time about how you can tweak these ads so they can optimize effectively. And just like that, your ad creation process is super simplified.
That's really cool. I can't wait to use it. So next, I'm going to talk to you about appointments, which aren't as exciting as automated ads, but I think they're going to be a great asset for your business. Essentially, Facebook is taking away all that extra work your customers have to do to book time to see you. With appointments, you can add a button to your Facebook and Instagram pages that allows customers to book and manage appointments from your business page. You can also set your availability and display your open times, and then accept and manage all appointments directly from your social media page. So this may not seem like a big deal to you, but if you really think about the experience your customer has when trying to book a time with you, there's a lot of friction and there are a lot of steps. They have to find your website from on your social media page. They have to go to your website, figure out how to book time with you, and if you just have a form, they have to fill that out and wait for you to get back with them. So that's a lot of steps, and a lot of steps in marketing means that people drop off in the process. So now Facebook's eliminating all those extra clicks, and your customer can just do it with one click right on your Facebook or Instagram page.
Wow, that really is powerful. And I know that there's other major benefits that can help you, like being able to sync it with your Google Calendar is really user-friendly. And appointments allow you to send automated reminders to your customers so you can really aim on cutting out your no-shows. And of course, it's free, so it doesn't get any better than that.
Yeah, and it's really easy to implement at your business. So if you're B2B and you're thinking, I don't really book appointments, you book demos, you can do consultations, you can book meetings. There are so many different options and different ways that you can use it. So, we recommend just try it out. Think about how your business can use it and put it to the test. See if it's right for you. If you're really interested in setting this up, we have step-by-step guides to setting it up on Facebook and Instagram in our YouTube notes. So next we're going to talk about the last update, which is our video editing tools. Let's face it, we're not professional videographers or editors, but thankfully Facebook made it easy for us to create engaging video content on social ads. The 3 new features we're going to be talking about are automatic cropping, video trimming, and image and text overlays. Today we're just going to cover those first 2. So Tara, do you want to start us with automatic cropping?
Sure. So when it comes to automatic cropping, when cropping the ratio of a video ad, let's say horizontal to vertical, you can now let Facebook do the work for you. Facebook has what they call a scene detection technology, which determines the best focal point for your ad on a frame-by-frame or scene-by-scene basis. It determines the best place to crop each frame or scene for you in that ratio. It sounds pretty fancy.
Yeah, it does sound fancy. So I'm going to talk to you about trimming, which is pretty self-explanatory. You upload your video and you're able to trim it into sections for your ad. Now you don't have to do that in a different platform and then upload it to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do it as you're setting up your ad, which makes it a lot easier for you.
Definitely.
Keep in mind that Facebook allows you to add 31 seconds of video content, but the most successful ads are between 5 and 15 seconds. So try and keep your ad within that shorter time frame to get the best results. One thing to note that the downside of these new video editing features is they're not available just on your Facebook page. So you can't use them just by creating a post. It has to be an ads manager. The best way to know if all these tools, all these 3 new tools that Facebook updated are going to work for you is just to try them out, to start testing different things.
Yep.
Do a small video ad, see how it works with your audience. You can even make it an automated ad. So we really encourage you to try these new tools and let us know how it goes. We'd love to hear how you're using them.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, you can check out the links in our YouTube notes. We're going to be here every month giving you the latest and greatest on all things digital marketing. So you can be sure to catch us on our IGTV or DirectLync's YouTube channel. So until next time, bye.
Bye.